Hi, welcome to What Happened with Hapn. I'm TJ, a product manager here at Hapn. So this is a series where we take a retrospective look at the things that we introduced in the past month, the new updates to the product, and all of the changes. And this one's actually a special edition because the quarter ended last week, so it's actually going to be a look back at the entirety of quarter number 2. So of the things that were new to the product, what were the most impactful? What were those big features? Well, number one was definitely Time Machine in the web application. It was previously a mobile-only feature, and by moving it to the web app, we've increased usage really heavily and had some really great customer success stories with people who really wanted that feature in the web application and have gotten a ton of usage out of it. Then we also added in the custom tracker odometer, which is a setting for devices that allows you to be in control of where the tracker starts counting mileage. This is going to give you a lot more detailed data and better data accuracy when you're trying to track that statistics and those usage numbers for particular assets. We also gave the alerts page a revamp in the application. We added some subcategories and we reorganized how those alerts were grouped. As you continually add alerts, that page gets longer and longer and longer, and it's important to make it easy to navigate and easy to get to the right alert, so we were really happy to get that done as well. Then we also added a new data point in the tracker usage report, and that is external voltage. It's really an important feature for a subset of our enterprise customers especially, and getting that data point from an external asset can be incredibly useful when you're trying to calculate like battery charge level on solar-powered devices, for instance. And then finally, the last major thing that we added were 2 new alerts in the low external battery and the power on off. These are 2 power related alerts, and power alerts are really impactful because you don't want a tracker to either go offline at the wrong time, or you don't want them being powered on when they shouldn't be in use so that they save up that charge when they should be in use. So that's a lot of important data that came in. So those are the things that launched in quarter 2, and we're really happy with all of them. They all proved to be very impactful, and it's also all features and ideas that were rooted in discussions with actual users, with actual customers, that we then took through, lensed, and tried to make something that was universally beneficial to all of our active users. So that was a look back at Q2. Now, the other thing that I like to do in these What Happened with Hapn features is what's gonna happen with Hapn. Well, we're gonna talk a little bit now about what to expect in quarter 3. We've set a really high bar for quarter 3, and it's something that we're definitely gonna aim for. Up first is a new project. We're tentatively calling it Location by Cellular. And what that is going to allow us to do is give you more advanced positional data when trackers lose GPS. Right now on the platform, if a tracker goes offline, we simply tell you if it's offline, and that, frankly, it's not good enough. We can do better than that. So we're going to start telling you, based on proximity to cellular towers, where approximately a tracker is, even when it loses GPS. Now, along with that, and trust me, there's going to be more details as we get closer to the launch, but along with that, you're going to get new, more detailed tracker cards, more detailed position snapshots, just greater detail on the map even overall. It's going to be a really, really impactful feature, and we can't wait for you to see it. Now, in addition to that, we're going to improve our reporting tool. We're going to make it easier to make custom reports with the fields that you want to see. Save those reports so you have your own catalog of reports that you can access at any given time. And lastly, we're going to implement a tagging system for our GPS trackers. That way you're easily able to set custom properties for these devices so you can know which devices are in maintenance, which devices are in the storage yard, and which devices are currently rented and out on job sites. This is going to be really impactful, especially for our larger accounts, but even our smaller 1 and 2 tracker accounts are going to be able to get a lot of value out of these new features, and we're super excited to bring them to the table. Thank you so much for watching. If you need more information, head over to gethapn.com. And if you're evaluating GPS for your business, feel free to click on Get a Demo over there and set up a time with our staff, so that way we can talk to you and show you exactly what's going on here at Hapn. Thanks so much for watching.